Hello and welcome to Arthur Knight Shoes. My name is Arthur Gibbs, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at some ladies' Mephisto Helen sandals. Right, so here in front of me I've got a small number of Helen sandals that we carry here at arthurknight.com. I'll talk briefly about each model and also do a quick unboxing for you. So let's dive straight in with one of the best-selling models, which is this one here, Helen in navy nubuck. We really like the navy blue nubuck option. It's incredibly simple but versatile, goes with so many outfits. When you're out and about, it's really the sandal to go for in hot conditions. It's so comfortable to wear. If we jump across to something a little bit more bright and cheerful, if you like, so this is Helen Flower, obviously a little bit more expensive. In this case it's in red nubuck with a platinum leather contrast here. Very, very attractive, and you'll note that the branding does change to match the upper. So here we've got it in platinum embossed with the matching buckle. Another beautiful style is Helen in waxy nubuck, or as they call it, sandal buck. Again, rather earthy neutral colour with more subtle branding in this case. You'll note the soles do change colour to match the uppers. So if we talk a little bit more general about the comfort aspect and the quality and the specification, take this for example, you've got full suede footbed which is anatomically contoured to help support and match the shape of the foot. It really does bed in and give you a lot of comfort and breathability as well. These perforations here are part of the Mephisto Air Relax patented comfort technology. It really does focus though on the midsole. Mephisto do make a big deal about this particular aspect of the shoe. Cheaper alternatives, it won't be made of genuine cork like Mephisto are. If you start using wood chip or reconstituted plastic, they're not going to support the foot as well. In hot conditions they start to misform. The Mephisto range, absolutely fantastic. Really, really high quality cork midsole. The outsoles, as I mentioned earlier, they do change colour, but they are genuine rubber. Very, very durable and robust. Okay, I'll do a very quick unboxing for you. Nothing too special, but just so you know what to expect if you do decide to order a pair. So this is Helen in black patent. Comes in a very attractive green box. And inside the tissue, you'll obviously have your pair with the swing ticket of authentication. And also you'll get a little booklet or information card if you like, in a variety of languages. You can read up about the technology and the specification and the construction in your own time. So very nicely presented. You'll see from the box label that, from this side, that they are graded in European sizes. Obviously Mephisto being a French brand, you'd expect that. But we've found that they are fitting very much true to size, so there's no need to really grade up or down away from your normal size. Okay, well thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.